In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to get signed up for Teleport. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Teleport account set up and be ready to start turning your ideas into shipped products. Let's jump in. We'll start by clicking the Sign Up button. From here, you can either sign up with an email and password, or use Google Sign-In, which is the fastest way to get through this step. Once you're signed in, you'll be asked for a few basic store details: your store name, URL, and the platform you're selling on. This information just helps Teleport understand how your store is set up, so everything connects correctly later. Once that's all filled out, your account is officially created. Next, we're going to do a quick demo so you can see how Teleport works. We'll upload a file and create a match. First, click Upload File in the top right corner. Then just drag and drop your STL, and it will begin uploading to Teleport. Once the upload finishes, we'll head over to the orders page to match the file. The orders page is where your real incoming orders will show up once your store is connected. But for now, you'll see a demo order we're going to use to set up your first match. Start by clicking Match next to the demo order. Next, click the specific order item you want to match, then select the file or files that should be printed for that listing. After you've selected the file, choose the material and color you want that item printed in. Finally, click Create Match. You have now successfully uploaded a file and matched it to a listing. Now, anytime you get an order for that item, Teleport will automatically begin printing the file matched to that listing. Teleport will use matches like this to automatically print and ship your orders for you. Now let's connect your store so you can start getting real orders. We'll start by heading to the account page and scrolling down to Shipping Integrations. Click the Connect Shippo button and you will be prompted to create a free Shippo account. Shippo is how Teleport receives your incoming orders and is the easiest way for Teleport to work with any e-commerce platform. Once your Shippo account is created, the next step is connecting your store inside Shippo. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right, then select the Stores tab from the sidebar. From here, Shippo will walk you through connecting your store. Just follow their prompts for your specific platform. You are also able to connect multiple stores to a single Shippo account. So if you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or multiple platforms, you only have to manage one Shippo connection for all of them. Next, you will need to complete Stripe verification to finalize your Shippo account. Just scan the QR code with your mobile device and follow the prompt. Once that's done, your Shippo account should be fully verified and you can return back to Teleport. The final step is to connect a payment method to your Teleport account. This allows Teleport to bill you once an order has been fulfilled. Just scroll down on the account page and click Connect Payment Method. Then just enter your card details and click Save. That's it. You've officially completed the Teleport onboarding.